So let's installing Rust. You can install Rust in the Mac OS, in the Windows, and the Linux and Unix like operating systems. That's the simple link just to install Rust in Linux, Mac, and Unix like operating system. But if you would like to install by different method or different operating system, or if you would like to install that's the website to installing Rust. It's the original website, the official website, sorry, and just you click install. That's the simple command if you have Linux, Unix-like operating system, or Mac. But if you have different operating system like Windows, you need first of all install prerequisite Visual Studio C++ build tools. You can go to the other installation methods. So it contains like the other methods. Also here, standalone installs. You can just download it and work on this. There is a note I'd like to mention here. If you like to use Rust, there are three different release channels. The stable, okay, that's the reliable and well-tested version of Rust recommended for production. It's updated approximately every 6 weeks with thoroughly tested features, okay? The beta, the beta offers preview of features in the next stable release. It's updated approximately also every 6 weeks. It's providing balance between stability and access to upcoming features for testing. In the nightly, it provides bleeding edge features and experimental changes. So the nightly updates nightly with latest developments, allowing developers to test upcoming features, but less stable for production use. So initially, stable is for production. Beta is like pre-production, we can say, preview for the production, okay, or the stable, sorry, stable, so production. And nightly, it contains the new features, the new experimental changes, so you can use it to experiment new changes and new features and like that, but it's not recommended for production, okay?